Hello everybody, thank you for joining us in today's tutorial. So majorly in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how you can do a live chat like this, how you can use it on your Shopify website, how you can use a Tawkto chatbot on your Shopify account. So majorly we'll be using Tawkto. So I have my Tawkto account logged in on the same browser, and I have my Shopify too on the same browser. So I'll be showing you step by step. Make sure you follow me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell. So let me show you. The next thing you have to do is go to apps. You will see that at the left hand side of your Shopify. Click on all recommended apps. Of course, you cannot see the app right here. Just click on all recommended apps and scroll down a bit. So when you scroll down, click on that link you can see down. So when you get there, let's just wait a bit for that to load. So the next thing is to click on the search bar and search for talk to. Just search for talk to TAWK.TO. So talk to. So search for talk to. So when you click on talk to, just click on install. So let's click on install right here. So you're going to see the install button at the bottom of this page. So just click on install. So when you click on install, so just click on install and wait a bit for that to load. So and another thing you're going to do is to click on another install button you can see right here. So click on install again. But don't forget we have our Tawkto account logged in on the same browser. So make sure you have your login details ready for this tutorial. So you can just pin the app to your bar at the left hand side. So just log in your Tawkto account. So it's time to connect our Tawkto account to our Shopify. Remember we are using Shopify. So just click on it. So this is the app and log in. So the only mistake we'll be making right here is because we have not created a widget. We don't have any widgets on our Tawkto account. So majorly, don't be scared. I'll be showing you how you can create a widget on your Tawkto account so that it will be easy for you to access and link it to your Shopify. Just calm down. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that and turn on your notification bell for more of this video. So on the left hand side right here, just look for create widget and click on that. So let's create a property. You can use your website name for the property name, but for the sake of this tutorial we're just going to use help. So just type help, and let's look for, so go to, so we are going to get our website URL, our store URL. So this is my store URL, the pdfmethod.com. So let's copy and let's go and paste it in our Tawkto account. So just click on it, just paste it here and save. So which website builder are we using? Of course we're using Shopify. So let's just search for Shopify, click on it, then save. Just save that. Then as you can see, our widget is active. So let's just refresh this page. So as you can see, we're having a different display entirely. So let's just click on it. We have a widget already on the account. So let's just click on the widget we just created on our Tawkto account. So let's click on help. Then let's create widget. So as you can see, the widget is active on our Tawkto backend. Is active already. So the next thing we have to do is to click on the link we can see at the end of the page. So let's just click on that to activate the Tawkto widget we just created, even on Shopify itself. So let's just click on it and save. As you can see, the toggle is on. You don't need to toggle it off. So just click on save. So after clicking on save, as you can see, we have it right here already. So after clicking on save, you can customize the widget the way you want to customize it. You can add colors. So I'm going to show you that in a minute. So let's just customize the widget. So this is the widget. You can change the color. You can do anything you want to do with the widget. But one thing I want to do is to toggle on the AI assistant. You don't need to sit at the back of your laptop all day replying to your client messages. You can do that automatically with the AI. So just click on the AI, and it's going to bring you to this side of the backend. So what is your website address? So we have the website address already. Let's just click on save and next. So we are just going to leave this particular page we're going to leave this Tawkto to at least to crawl through different pages and process our data, then generate FAQs. So we are just going to leave it to generate FAQs, ask questions, so that we don't have to sit at the back of our website all day replying. So far we have this on, we have the features on, the AI assistant on. We don't need to just sit at the back of our website replying to client messages. So let's just wait a bit for that to load. So let's wait a bit for that to load. So I'm just going to check again if the button is activated, if the live chat is really working already. So let me just cross check, so that we actually use that to while away time for. As you can see, it's actually on. But if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that right away. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification bell for more of this video, and share with your family and friends. So as you can see, it's actually on. So let's just click on. You can read through and just do that, but I don't want this tutorial to be so long, so I won't be doing that in this video. So you can just read through the FAQ that was generated by the AI. So you just click on save and next. You can read through, but we won't be doing that in today's tutorial. I won't be reading it through at all. So you can test your bot. You can just click on anything and it's going to give you a reply. And if you are not okay with the reply, you can customize it to yourself. So let's just click on save. Let's click on save. You can read through, like I said the other time. So this is the pricing of Tawkto. If you have a few bucks to spare, you can just pick a plan that is okay for you and just start doing that. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're picking the free version. So let's just click on the free version and let's just continue. At least we can still do something with the free version. So if you're a business and you're just starting, you can just start with the free version. So let's just, as you can see, the AI is activated. The AI assistant is activated already. You don't need to sit all day sitting and replying to messages. But I want to customize something on the widget. I just want to customize it. I have some things to customize. The color. So I'll be making use of this particular color. So as you can see, to save automatically, you don't need to start looking for the save button, because I know a lot of you are looking for the save button. So let's just refresh and check our our updates. Let's just check. As you can see, it's actually active. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that right away. Turn on your notification bell and share this video with a lot of people that need to see this video. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye.